Hey everybody, what's happening? I'm Kevin Costner. Today I'd like to show you my miniature alcohol bottle collection. Off with the classic Smirnoff orange flavored vodka. And then we have Bacardi lemon. This is a original citrus This is a citrus flavored rum. And then we've got Bacardi Cara Blanca. This is a superior white rum, unlike the normal ones you get. And then this is Smirnoff triple distilled vodka. This is not flavored. This is a classic one. And then we've got Smirnoff green apple. Cute. Bacardi orange. This is a rum. Oh, this is, we've got another, Absolute Vodka, Beauty. And then we'll go ahead with the whiskies. This is Paul John, Indian single malt whiskey, 46% single malt whiskey, non-chilled, filtered. Never even seen these brands, these are all very new to me. And then we've got Grant's, family owned, patiently crafted, blended Scotch whiskey, the Family Reserve. Beautiful triangular shaped bottle, fascinating. And then we've got McDowell's. Oh, this is a Desi whiskey. Usually, what the normal Indian would drink.
I think the oldies at home.
Absolutely. 100 Pipers blended Scotch whiskey.
Wow.
Classic. I hope it's not obstructive.
No, it is.
Okay, and then we've got 100 Pipers. This is blended Scotch whiskey, which is 12 years aged, unlike the other ones. Then we've got Blender's Pride, also known as BP in the normal bar slang. BP, rare premium whiskey. This is again a blended. Yes, this is a blended Scotch whiskey. Then we've got Teachers 50. Scottish Reserve blended Scotch whiskey. I don't know if that 50 means 50 years old. I'm not sure. Anyway, wonderful. Teachers. Beauty. And then we've got Black Dog. Triple Gold Reserve. Nice. Royal Stag. Telix whiskey. Not aged. Not aged. Again, this is blended. A fine blend of imported Scotch malts. Okay, it is a blended Scotch whiskey. Not aged. McDowell's, again, very basic.
Family brand.
Signature rare aged whiskey. This is Signature. Green bottle.
Cute bottle.
Yeah, very nice. This is Royal Challenger Premium Reserve whiskey. Again, blended. A lot of them are blended. Okay, Teacher's Highland Cream. This is from UK. High peated malt blended Scotch whiskey. Wonderful. And then we've got classic Chivas Regal, 12 years old, 12 years aged. When I say aged, it means the whiskeys in the vat, they are aged for 12 years. So that they mature, their taste, and the color you see is because of the color of the wooden vat they are aged in.
Ken, I think you can bring them to the first line.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
First we do. And then we've got VAT 69.
Wow.
Beauty.
Another beautiful bottle.
Black and white. Nice. Morpheus. So this is a cute bottle. Looks like a perfume bottle. Morpheus XO blended premium brandy.
Yeah.
This is a brandy, unlike the other whiskies. And then now I've saved the best for the last. I've got a beautiful line of wonderful brandies and whiskies here. I'll start off with one of the most beautiful ones here. This is Ballantine's Finest blended Scotch whiskey. Treat to the eyes and the poor liver. And we've got Glenlivet, very famous, 12 years of age. Premium. Antiquity. Oh, beautiful bottle. Look at the beauty. Antiquity Blue, ultra premium whiskey, blend of imported scotch and finest grain and spirits. Wonderful bottle. Nice. And then we've got, oh, Jack Daniels. Tennessee whiskey. Bottled in USA. Tennessee. And we've got Black Dog, Black Reserve. The other one was Triple Reserve, that is different. Triple Gold, whatever. This is different. This is another variant of that. And we've got Johnny Walker Red Label, again a classic. And then we've got Johnny Walker again, but this is a black label. I'm going to keep it next to it. Okay, that's a black label. And we've come to the last one. Very, very beautiful. Very, very special. This is Hennessy. Very special cognac. Best in the land. Thank you very
Hennessy
much.
Cognac.
Yes, cognac. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.
You too.